All right, hey guys, Jason here. We're up here at Jimmy Britt right here in Statesboro, Georgia. These guys are amazing. And behind us we have a white cap, another one, a blue white cap. I'm not gonna lie, the red, I like the red a lot better. This is sharp, don't get me wrong, but the red one was insane. We got 35-inch package on this thing. Got the steel bumpers, front, rear, the whole deal. Coming in at I think 66,000 bucks right there. Rubicon model, like I said, gorgeous setup, no doubt about it. Beautiful Jeep. What we're going to talk about though today is it doesn't matter what you're buying. The one thing that we all want in our car deals, what do we want more than anything? When we get ready to go buy a truck today, we're like, oh, I don't want to do this. Why? Because we have no control. How do you get the control that you need for your next purchase? Very simple process, all right? Number one, it boils down to education. This channel's got a ton of it on here for you. This channel was based on educating you on how to buy these things the right way, and how to find a good dealerships and all that kind of stuff. I have a playlist on this channel that is 100% free. No gimmies, no download this, no, they're just videos that I've done that I put them in a playlist for you so you don't have to hunt them down. Called Truck Buying Info Playlist. It's on there. Watch a few of those videos. They're all titled perfectly. I don't do clickbait. I don't do anything like that. It's all easy to find for you in there. They will help you tremendously. But how do you control this deal? The first thing you got to understand is that it is your deal, okay? This vehicle may belong to Jimmy Britt. That vehicle may be right there. You see it in the background over there. See that RHO sitting right there? The green RHO, see it sticking out right there. That belongs to Jimmy Britt. All these belong to Jimmy Britt. However, your money belongs to you. Any dealership, now Jimmy Britt is an incredible dealership. A lot of you guys buy from here and tell me how great they are. However, Jimmy Britt is a dealership, and all dealerships do want to control the deal. That's their job. They want to control it. They want you to feel that it is their vehicle. They're doing you a favor selling it to you, and they don't have to sell it to you. Flip it around, because it's your money, and these vehicles are on every lot in the country, and it is your choice which one you buy it from. See the difference there and who controls what? They want you to think it's theirs, and this is their deal. And if you want to buy from them, you play by their rules. That's how they want you to feel. That's them being in control. You being in control means that you got a vehicle, you have a product I want, but just like if I was going to buy a Craftsman's Toolbox at Lowe's, that Craftsman's Toolbox at Lowe's is in 150 different Lowe's across the country, and I can buy it from any one of them. Why should I buy it from you? Okay, it's the same exact concept. See who controls what? Remember, it is your money. Remember, you also have these right here, 2 legs right here. Probably not as sexy as these ones, but you're probably pretty close. But these sexy legs know what to do if things start to turn around, or if I don't like what I'm hearing. I walk, okay? You can walk away at any given time. That is the number one aspect of control. Number one is to understand that it is your money and that you can buy from any place you want to buy from. Nobody's telling you that you have to buy from there. Nobody can pressure you. Nobody can convince you. Nobody can force you into add-ons. Nobody can force you to the price that they're asking for. Nobody can convince you that this is the best price that you can get. Nobody can nothing, because it is your deal, your money, your decisions. Remember that at all times. No matter how hard they try to turn that and take that ball from you, here you are dribbling and you're playing, and they want to just grab it from you and then say, hey, no, my game. No, it's not your game. It's yours. 100%. The education aspect, very important. If you are educated, you can counteract every tactic that they throw at you. Okay, so every time he gets ready to take that shot, you can boom, knock it down. No. We're not seeing that before. Been there. Oh, you thought, no, see, got it. There it is. They can't do it because you're educated. You have the skill set to counter everything that they're going to do. Okay, when they tell you, well, this deal's only today, man. You don't buy it right now today. This is the only one here. This is it. You don't buy this White Cap 41. You don't get it right now today, then it's going to be gone, and you're never going to get one. You'll never get one again. That's the end of it. And I'm sorry, because it's such a specialty unit. It's MSRP only. It's the only thing you can do. You have no choice. That's all there is to it. And if you don't, I already got 5 other guys that want to buy it. Okay, turn that control around. Say, actually, There's 265 of these within 500 miles of me. I've been calling them already, and the best I'm at right now is already 10,000 off MSRP. So you either have to be 10,000 off MSRP plus no add-ons, no BS stuff on the background and that kind of stuff, and then we start talking. And that will still be contingent on the financing rate, making sure there's no BS with the buy rate and the sell rate, and also making sure that the trade-in is good. But if you don't want the trade-in, that's fine, because I already have backup plans for that too. Here's what happens here. You just crushed him. Do you see what I'm getting at? Control is everything. It is your money. It is your deal. You control it. There is also a real sense of pride and a real sense of power. People ask me all the time, how can you like buying cars? How can you like dealing with these dealerships? Because it's fun, because it's mine. I own it. There's nothing that they can do, and it's kind of comical. You enjoy it. Okay, when I see a sales guy, and he's, you know, I made a comment in a video one time, and people laughed because of reality. And I said, I was over there, and I said, watch when the sales guy comes out of those doors, he'll start running right away. But then when you see him, he'll slow down and start walking. And when you look away, he'll start running. He's trying to get to you as quick as he can. Okay, because this is the games they play. We know it all. Okay, I know what they're gonna say before they say it. I know I know the angle they're gonna play. I understand the thing that's in here. I understand when they tell me to say, well, we'll hear back from my finance guy. I understand all this stuff. The difference also is I don't come in here to do it. I don't do it in a dealership. Why? Because it's my deal. And if it's my deal and I get to set the rules of my deal, I would much rather negotiate while I'm watching Yellowstone reruns, eating Doritos in my flip-flops and no shirt on my couch. Okay, that's where I want to be. That's the world I want to live in and how I want to do it. So it's more me going, let me know when your sales manager says yes, he'll do the numbers or whatever he comes up with. We'll see if you're on the list. Let me know how it goes. Talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, look at Kevin Costner just did. That's the reality. Okay, that's how you buy. I'm not coming in here and sitting here twiddling my thumbs as he goes, my sales manager's on the phone right now. He'll get back to us in a little bit. Can I get you some pizza? Can I get you a water, a soda? As you try to whittle me down, burn me down, wear me out, sweat me out. It's not happening. It's not happening. I called you. Here it is. Here's the numbers I want. This is where I'm at on it. You better make it happen. If you can, call me back. If you can't, call me back. Let me know anyway, because I'm curious of what your deal was. I'm working the other ones in the meantime, so I got a lot of stuff. If you get my voicemail, just text me or leave me a message, because I'm getting a bunch of voicemails right now from a bunch of dealerships. So just let me know or text me, and then I will call you back as soon as I can. All right, I got other calls to make. Keep me in a loop. Maybe a little nicer, but the same concept. You see what I'm getting at? Control. It is your deal. You own this. Do not ever let it change hands or get switched around. And if it gets to a point where they're just not giving you the ball, no matter if you know, and you're looking at the ref like, hey, he's foul, no, he's trying to pull it from you, then you simply just let it go. And you turn around and you walk away. And that's it. You're done. And you move on to the next dealership. This is supposed to be fun. This is supposed to be rewarding. It is your money. It is your time. It is your vehicle. It is your deal. They are just a middleman that has the product on their lot, and there are that same product on lots all over the entire country, and there are a lot of them that will treat you well. Like I said, Jimmy Britt happens to be one of them that, from what I hear, they treat you guys well. I've never bought from here, but I know a lot of people that have, and I also know everybody that works here, and they're all fantastic. So it doesn't matter where you're at. Control the deal. Control it. It's yours. And if you got questions and comments, or if you're trying to buy and you're hitting walls, come here. Not here. I don't mean Jimmy Britt here. Do that if you want, but I mean come here to my channel and put your comment in there. Hey, I need help. We have a team of people on here. Not a team, but a family, I should say. I mean, I've been at this now for a few years, and I have a group of probably 100 regular commenters on here that I answer comments 4 hours a day every single day, and usually it's in the evening when I'm done with everything else. Sometimes 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning before I get around to it. But in the meantime, you might post a comment at 10 a.m., and even if I can't get to it or even read it or see it until midnight, I'll check it out, and there'll be 5 other comments that give you excellent advice because these guys care. This channel is about people that care. We got a lot of yahoos and dingbats and wigwams and yeehaws and crap like that. Send them right on packing. We don't care. Let them toot their horn and just let them go. Nobody cares about them. But there's a bunch of people here that will help you. They are in your corner. So do not be afraid to ask the questions here. Look for the help, that kinds of stuff. But ultimately, Control your deal. It is yours. I cannot say it any better way. Questions, comments, put them below. Thanks for watching.